Hey guys! Today I'm going to be reviewing SummARizer, which is an application that is designed to work with AR headsets such as the Google Smart Glass. And what it does is it can take complicated sections of text and dumb them down to whatever lexile level you want, whether that's elementary school, middle school, high school, or college. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I have here my anatomy textbook and the Google Smart Glasses. So I'm going to put these on and show you how SummARizer works. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I've got the Google Smart Glasses on and SummARizer open. Let's get started reading a big section of this text. Alright guys, so I've been reading my textbook for just over an hour, and we've got some really great things happening here with SummARizer. So I'm going to walk through what y'all can't see. So what's happening is as I'm reading these complicated sections of text, I'm getting sort of a pop-up window through the lens of my glasses that I can see where it's dumbing it down for me. So we've got all this text in here that you can zoom in and see about epithelial tissue, different types of epithelium, and this is really a lot of word vomit in this textbook. What I'm getting popping up is just really simple explanations of how I can visually detect different types of epithelial cells on my slides. So I would say this is doing a great job. I've got squamous, cuboidal, columnar epithelium, and just simple explanations of how all those things work. And this program is doing a really, really great job. All right, guys. SummARizer is such a great product. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe under this video so you get notifications whenever I post. Bye, besties.